Key Code 6, Elonai'tha Vesh'Rim, is the harmonic of geometric memory reassembly. It speaks to the restoration of sacred structure through crystalline interconnectedness and stabilizes multidimensional perception. It calls back scattered strands of memory through spiral triangulations, forming coherent sacred geometry in your field. It is a stabilizer when you feel the paradox of being in many places at once. It reminds the field, coherence is not singularity, it is union. Each inner point and line of this key code activates your personal resonance within the original matrix of light, the lattice of remembrance before fragmentation. The precision of line to point in this key code is not static geometry, but a breathing harmonic. Each angle resonates like a note. To work with it is to hear through the lines. This key code does not only reassemble, it remembers how the reassembly remembers itself. That is, its action is recursive. The lattice calls back strands of memory, and those strands in turn awaken further lattice points, like crystalline ripple. This is why the geometric net extends outward. Its activity is not linear, but fractal. If you enjoyed the content of this video, please subscribe to my channel.